Yo, it's your boy Conrad. How you guys doing today? Today we're gonna go ahead and try to figure out why the Supra is idling really bad. I know that if you guys are OGs, you guys would know that the Supra doesn't idle the best. But we're gonna go ahead and try to figure out the idle on the Supra. I have kind of a little bit of a suspicion. I think it's the idle air control valve, the little spring thing. I looked it up online on how to clean it up, so we're gonna go ahead and take that apart today, and we're gonna go ahead and clean up the idle air control valve. And I mean, hopefully it picks up my idle a little better. We might have to adjust the idle later on, but yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you where the idle control air valve is, and what we're gonna go ahead and do. Alright, so this is the throttle body right here, and the idle air control valve is this boy right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here under this tube. So it has two screws on the side that need to be taken out. They're Allen bolts, or not Allen bolts. They're just I think they're 10 mil, and then it's connected by one and then two hoses on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this hose here to get better access to the rest of it, and then disconnect this hose here, and then we'll be able to unscrew it, and then it'll have two tubes on the bottom side, and then we'll take those off. So let's go ahead and get that. Alrighty, so once you take off both bolts, they're kind of a bitch to get out, but you're gonna go ahead and see, so this will come up, and then this will still be attached to, I don't know if you can see them, but there's two hoses under there. You're gonna have to disconnect those hoses, and then this whole thing will come out. So let's go ahead and get that done. Hopefully we can get it easily. So this is the idle air control valve right here. And shoot, it's kind of windy outside, but so it literally just needs two screws and it'll come out. It needs to be cleaned out. It just has a lot of it's just dirty. So let's go ahead and just take these bolts off. Sorry for the wind noise if there is any. And this should just come off right there. And yep, look at that. It's all dirty inside. It looks pretty bad. Let's go ahead and clean it out with some carb cleaner. And in there, see if it'll focus. Yeah, see, look how dirty it is in there. And then how dirty this little shaft thing is. Let's go ahead and clean them out, and hopefully that'll help my idle out. Alright, so as you can see, it was like super dirty. Like you can see all that dirt and stuff. We got it really clean. Both of them pretty clean. So we're just gonna go ahead and just let these dry out and then reinstall them back into the car. It's pretty much the opposite of what we just did, and let's go ahead and get that done real quick. So update real quick. The hoses, getting them off was really hard. Putting them back on is even harder. So I don't have a long enough pliers. I'm gonna go ahead and get some pliers, pick it up tomorrow, and see how it goes. It's all clean, it's ready to go, but I can't put the coolant hoses back on because I don't have the right tools. So my bad. Let's go ahead and get that done. Fast forward to tomorrow. Let's go. Yo, so it's the next day. We're back. We got some pliers. These are just some like bented needle nose pliers, and hopefully these will help me out with connecting the thing. But let's go get right into it and see if we can get her done. So when you're doing this stuff, I highly recommend getting these needle nose like pliers and stuff. It helps you out with like these weird turns and stuff. I'll show you exactly what I mean, but these are great. Just picks them up. So I don't know if you can see right there, or see right there, if you can see that right there. There's little hoses that go to that, and they're really hard to put on, especially because they're a little older. And with these pliers, I was able to get them on no problem. But yeah, they're really hard. So another thing, with these little, You guys can see these are hose clamps kind of thing. I really hate using these, and a lot of cars do use these a lot. But what I did pick up were some of these right here. If you can see what they are, they're the same concept, but all you got to do is use a screwdriver, and then they're easy to take off and put on, and you just don't have to try to like clip. Anyone that's ever had to deal with some of these in the weird places knows what I'm talking about. But yeah, so I'm just gonna swap them out for these because I'm eventually gonna swap out the gaskets with that are really bad, and I'm pretty sure that might be one of the reasons why my car's idling really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put those on, so next time when I do it, it'll be easy just to swap out the gaskets and everything. I think Powerhouse Racing sells the gasket for like $30 or something like that. It comes with everything you need. So I'm going to probably order that up and then just swap them out later and see if that helps it out. But hopefully cleaning this out helps it out. So let's go ahead and finish her up and then start her up. Alright, so it's all back installed and ready to go. Let's go ahead and start her up, see if she idles. Like, alright, sick. So she's loud, but as of right now, she's idling consistently. Usually she starts idling kind of crazy around like heating temperatures, so we're gonna wait for that and see how it goes. See, like it's a lot more consistent than usual though. Hopefully let's see how it goes. She's loud as shit too. We might take that silencer off, who knows. So actually I didn't have it connected fully, and it wouldn't idle, and I was freaking out, but I got it working. Holy crap, that was real scary, but good thing she's idling now by herself without me having to press it. I think just the connection wasn't good, but now it's good. Hopefully she idles well. Oh my goodness, she's still idling smoothly. Like, that's crazy. It's still like, it goes up and down a little bit. I don't know if I can get that right there, but it idles up and down a little bit, but it's never been this consistent this long, which is great. That just means that it worked. Hopefully, it's still a little cold though, as you guys can see. We'll wait for it to get up a little bit and then see if it works. But I am so happy right now. I am super happy. Like, it's never idled this good for this long. It's always been, and oh, Ricky, if you're watching this, thank you for telling me it's the idle air control valve. But like, ooh, she's idling good. It was a little bitch do, but it was good. Alright, so it's been about like 10 minutes and it's still idling consistently. It worked. I am so happy. We're close to getting the car running just how I want it. I haven't done any power miles or anything like that because I wanted just to have the car running smooth first, a good baseline, so we can get everything good, because I don't want to build on top of something that doesn't run well, if you guys get me, you know. So I'm trying to fix everything a little in there, and then the exterior or whatever just here and there. And I'm also learning on these cars because the Supra, like I said, this is my first car I've ever put my hand dove into the car, so it's just, I'm just learning, and I can't pull an engine out. You know, I know a lot of you guys probably pull engines out, but I can't. But, you know, I am so happy. This is a big win in my book. This is such a big win for me. And honestly, it's freaking great. The car's looking amazing. Lip coming soon. Also, I'm going to get new taillights, the S2 taillights, the sick ones. And going to get a catch can soon just to get the car running good. Catch can, everything, just to set up for a single turbo. Hopefully this winter we're gonna take out the twin turbos, put in a single one. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If I helped you in any way, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys have a good day. Peace.